Yeah, yours looks a lot faster than mine for some reason.
I have a bigger motor than I should.
Ah,
I
okay.
up on the motor.
I got mine from a swap meet, so I don't even couldn't even tell you what it had in it.
I used to buy this on the 370. It does a whole lot better on the 470. And it's good. I think we'll keep up with it. Think you would? I think so. What do you got? 3/4 power? Yeah, I can keep up with it.
Were you flying your sports?
I don't care if I crash it, as long as it's not hard and I can save the pieces.
Yeah, exactly. You got a control guy over there, Jim?
When's the swap meet?
I got a flyer in my battery box up there. Sometime next month. I don't remember the weekend though.
Take a picture of the flyer?
Yeah.
I've never been to it. I'd like to see what they got.
Oh yeah, you definitely got to go.
Time to build airplanes anymore. I'm learning. Like it's taken since October to build that one.
Yeah, that's me. I don't have the patience. I got the time probably, but just not the
I don't
patience.
mind rebuilding them, and fixing them up a little bit. You know, putting your touch on them. I'm tired of them.
To me, building means putting my AMA number and the FAA number on it. That's a build for me, man. I am not a modeler. I envy everybody that does, but
They make it too easy now.
yeah, back when first time I flew, I was in the Army and I bought a Eagle top wing trainer, and it was just a box of sticks. Put it together. Nice, Jim.
Nice, Jim.
Yeah, put it together. Flew it one time and had to get rid of it.